Walmart was one of the drivers behind today's rally. The world's largest retailer reported better than expected earnings and solidified its position as both an online and brick and mortar powerhouse. That sent the stock up nearly 1.5%. Courtney Reagan takes a look at the strategy that's fueling its growth.
Walmart has admitted it fell behind in e-commerce, but the billions it spent to catch up is paying off. Online sales grew 37%. Foot traffic was higher, and comparable sales have grown for 19 straight quarters. The integration of stores and digital, Walmart's legacy business and its more startup arm, are working together to fuel continued sales growth. From online grocery ordering with free store pickup to the newly announced next-day free shipping offer.
We're continuing to see a validation of the strategy that the company laid out 3.5 years ago. They said we're going to make various investments, going to take time, but the payoff will be a good payoff, and it's been better than good.
The big box store wants shoppers to buy how, where, and when they want, and hopes consumers use the website and the stores, because those that shop both spend more. Many are impressed with Walmart's ability to change and grow, in part because of its scale. The retailer's annual revenues are more than the annual revenues of Amazon and Facebook combined.
Logistics, merchandising, supply chain management, go right down the list of all the things, $124 billion in 90 days.
It may be more important than ever for Walmart to secure its competitive position as the potential for more tariffs loom. The retailer's chief financial officer, Brett Biggs, told me, quote, "Our goal is to be the low price leader. We want to manage margins with customers and shareholders in mind. We have mitigation strategies that have been in place for months, but increased tariffs will increase prices for customers."
We would expect Walmart to very much be on the forefront to try to stay at a low price for longer, as much as they can. But this really is in the government's hands.
Walmart won't detail how much prices could increase, but the good news for the retailer is that because food makes up such a large portion of its business, 2/3 of the costs are sourced domestically. The remaining 1/3 is imported from many countries, not just China. Plus, Walmart's size and power gives it the upper hand in cost negotiations. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.